welcome to our game, which is Spin the Wheel. This video is made by Group Munyeka. This is all about the types of networks in networking. So, the first person who's gonna answer introduction to networking would be, the lucky winner is Hershey, Alfonso. So, yeah, we'll proceed to the next person. For the network versus standalone computer, the spin the wheel would be determining who's gonna answer who. So, me, LAN. So, that would be later. Go. For the types of networks, for the LAN, Bryle, Richmond, Reovoca. For the MAN, the will determine again. Ryza, Tamayo. Go. For the type of network 1, this is the spin the wheel will determine again. So, who's it gonna be? Torres. The last member of our group that hasn't been chosen in the spin the wheel was Lester. So, he's gonna answer the Intranet versus internet networking. Let's go. Good.
So hi, I'm player number 1, Hershey Alfonso, 21 years old from Mandaluyong City, and I'm sisig lover.
Hi, my name is Panaguiton. I am 20, turning 21, and I'm from Taytay, Rizal. I do love matcha, yes. And yun lang, I'm also the host. Bakit ba ako kasali dito?
Hello, I am player 3. I am Bryle Richmond Reovoca. I am 21 years old and I love to play basketball.
Hi, I'm player number 4 and my name is Ryza Tamayo, 20 years old from Pasig City, and I love to spend my time on TikTok.
Hello everyone, I am player 5. My name is Albert Torres, 20 years old. I love hiking.
Hello everyone, I am player number 6. My name is John Lester Gomia, and I'm already 20 years old. I live in Pasig City and my hobbies are playing online games such as Mobile Legends, Call of Duty, and many more. And I also like to listen to music whenever I'm bored or got nothing to do. And my favorite artists are Ariana Grande, Taylor Swift, and Doja Cat. That's all.
Di ba Charlie XCA? So, welcome again to our game, Spin the Wheel. So, I'm here with player Hershey. She's gonna tell us what's networking is all about. So, and maybe tell us what it's all about.
So for the introduction to networking refers to the practice of connecting two or more computers or devices together to share resources such as files, applications, and internet connections. It allows communication between users and systems, enabling efficient data exchange and collaboration. Through networking, organizations can centralize information, improve productivity, and ensure better resource management within the infrastructure.
So, that's all about networking. So, can I ask you one question? What do you like about CC?
Kasi maanghang siya.
Next.
So I am Bryle Richmond Reovoca, the co-host. So Lance Panaguiton, you said that you like matcha. What did you like about matcha?
Because it tastes like grass. And I love matcha. I love. No
So-
one can hate me for it.
So this is player 2. He will explain the network versus standalone computer. What did you know about, or what knowledge do you have about network versus standalone computer?
What do I know about network versus standalone computer? So, a network computer is connected to other devices, allowing to sharing of resources like printers, files, and internet connections. In contrast, a standalone computer operates independently and does not share or access any from resources across from the other systems. While standalone computers are useful for individual tasks like simple docs and then others, networks offer greater flexibility and efficiency and communication capabilities, especially workplaces and educational institutions. So, yeah.
So, Lance Panaguiton have knowledge in network versus standalone computer. And I saw that he have matcha here. So,
My favorite,
what's the taste of the matcha?
it tastes like milk, which is unusual for my order.
Okay, head to the next player.
Welcome, player number 3. Your answer would be types of networks and LAN. So he's gonna answer by Richmond what he thinks about the type of networks.
There are types of networks. The one that I will explain is LAN, and the others will be explained by other players. LAN, local area network. A LAN connects computers within a limited area, such as home, school, or office building. It provides high-speed connectivity and is commonly used for file sharing, gaming, and communication among nearby users.
Before you give an example, I'm gonna give some overview about types of networks. So types of networks like LAN, it's like a small area, but it really differs when with the purpose and the size of the scale of whatever network you will use. Like for example, the man and the WAN. So later that will be explained. So Bryle would give us an example about LAN. So
Here I have a diagram. This diagram I will explain it. This diagram shows a local area network called LAN. This is a setup which connects multiple devices within small areas such as an office or home. This network allows connected devices to share resources and communicate efficiently. At the center of the diagram, this is the hub switch, which acts as a main connection point for all of the devices in the LAN. It receives data from one device and forwards it to the correct destination within the network. The switch, here the switch. The switch helps expand the network by linking additional devices like this one or smaller networks, improving performance and data management. There are several devices here that are connected in the hub switch, which is printer, laptop, PC, and IP phone. The printer allows computers on the network to print documents without needing to a direct connection. And the laptop and PC represents user and end user devices that ensure fans access the internet or use shared applications. The IP phone here, this one, the IP phone enables voice communication over the network known as voice over IP. This setup demonstrates how a LAN connects various devices through switch, enable to data sharing, communication, and efficient use of resources within a limited geographical area. That's it.
alright. Let me ask you a question.
Yes.
What is your favorite hobby?
Yes. My favorite hobby is sleep.
Why sleeping?
I love to sleep.
So I guess that's all for player number 2. Let's proceed to player number 3 and proceeds to player number 4, which is the man. So, welcome player number 4. Ganyan talaga siya tumingin mo. She's gonna answer MAN or Metropolitan Area Network. It's a type of area network that we discussed earlier overview. So she's gonna tell us all about it. So it's your time to shine.
So for MAN, or Metropolitan Area Network, AMAN covers a larger area than a LAN, typically spanning a city or a large campus. It connects multiple LANs to provide a wider communication network, often used by government, agencies, or large organizations operating in several locations within a city.
So she's gonna provide us an example diagram of how a man works. So
I have a diagram.
nakasama mo ng brightness ng konti. Baka di natin makita sa video. Yan. To the map.
So for this diagram, it illustrates a metropolitan area network or AMAN, which connects multiple local area networks across a city or large area. It shows how different sites such as a headquarters, university building, government building, subsidiary, and another building are interconnected through a central MAN infrastructure. So this setup enables high-speed communication and data exchange between geographically separated locations within the same metropolitan region. That's all.
So thank you, player 4, Ryza. So let me ask you a question again. What do you like or what is your favorite drink?
Matcha.
Best? So, welcome player 5, Albert Torres. He's gonna answer the type of area network, which is WAN or wide area network. So, Albert, give us your thoughts about WAN.
So, wide area network covers a much larger geography area than both LAN and MAN. It connects computer, LANs, and other smaller networks over national or international distances. WANs are typically established through public or private telecommunication networks, including satellites, undersea cable, and leased lines. The Internet itself is the largest and the most well-known example of a WAN. It links millions of networks worldwide. WANs enable global communication, file sharing, and data access, making them crucial for businesses, government, and individuals. For example, multinational companies use WANs to connect their offices in different countries, ensuring employees can collaborate and share information in real time despite being thousands of kilometers apart. Although WANs have slower speed compared to LANs, advances in technology and high bandwidth infrastructure continue to improve their performance.
So, thank you for that wonderful question. Alright, then he's gonna give us an example of a WAN diagram.
So this is the example of the WAN network diagram. It shows multiple local area networks are connected to form a wide area network. Each LAN consists of a server and several workstations that communicate within a local area, such as an office or building. The lines are connected. The three LANs represent the WAN links, which allow these separate networks to share data, resources, and communication over the long distances. This setup enables organization with multiple branches or locations stay connected, access, share information, and manage its system efficiently as if they were part of the large network.
So, I have a question for you, Torres. Why do you like skinny jeans?
Because it's comfortable for me.
Okay. Thank you so much. I won't judge you no matter what. So,
Go.
we welcome player 6, Lester Gomia, and he's gonna tell us all about what is intranet and internet.
So, hello everyone. As Lance mentioned, I will be explaining the internet and their differences. So, we begin first with the internet. So, an internet is a secure private network used in an organization to enhance internal communication, collaboration, and information sharing. It functions using internet technology such as web browsers and serves, but is limited to authorized members of the organization. The internet serves as a platform where employees can access company resources, view announcements, submit reports, and exchange data quickly. By providing a centralized system, it promotes efficiency, coordination, and confidentiality within the organization. So, an example of an internet, for an instance, the university may use an internet to allow professors and students to access course materials, upload assignments, and view academic announcements. This system ensures that only members of the institution can access and share information, maintaining both security and organization within the academic environment.
Next is internet.
So what is internet? The internet is a global network that connects millions of computers and digital devices worldwide, enabling the rapid exchange of information and communication. It supports various online services such as websites, email, and video conferencing. Also, social media, allowing users to interact and access knowledge across borders. The internet has significantly transformed education, business, and daily life by making information more accessible and communication more efficient. So, an example of the internet is students and researchers use the internet to gather information from online libraries, academic journals, and educational platforms like Google Scholar. This accessibility enables faster research, promotes global collaboration, and supports lifelong learning through digital resources available anytime and anywhere.
So, can I ask you, Jomer, one question that is what is internet versus internet? So, what's your thought about it?
So, to properly contrast between internet and internet, the internet and internet both use similar communication technologies but differ in their purpose, accessibility, and scope. And the internet is a global network that connects millions of computers and digital devices worldwide. It allows open access to information, online services, and communication platforms, enabling users to interact and exchange data across borders. It is public in nature and serves as a vast source of global knowledge and connectivity. So, in contrast, basically the internet is a private network designed for internal use within the organization. Restricts access to authorized users only, ensuring security and confidentiality of information. The internet primarily facilitates internal communication, document sharing, and collaboration among employees, while the internet focuses on global communication and information exchange. The internet emphasizes internal coordination and secure information management within a specific organization.
Thank you so much for your input, player number 6, Lester Gomia. So, can I ask you a question? Another question. So, what's it gonna be? Me or D? Yeah. B or D?
Ano na lang, shit na lang.
Bryle. Yeah, that's all the types of network that we discussed as a host. Hopefully our game runs smoothly, and as a conclusion and summary of all the topics that we discussed, networking is a fundamental part of modern communication at the moment, and information exchange. So it really gives a part to the world that help us do our everyday tasks, like doing things in school, in the work, and then even in the home. We do online classes, and then some stuff. It connects devices, people, and organizations, as I said, enabling efficient collaboration, research, resources, and sharing, and global connectivity. Each type of network, the LAN, the MAN, and the WAN, Intranet, and then Internet, serves a unique purpose that for example, LANs provide fast and localized connectivity in a small area. Metropolitan area networks provide extended communication across cities or campuses, like our school, our EU. Next is WANs enable global data exchange, like for an international connection within our world. An example is like fiber data cable under the sea that enables us to connect to the internet, connects across the entire world. Internets offer secure internal communication. By understanding these network types, helps us decide what we can appreciate with the technological infrastructures that supports everything from everyday activities to complex international operations in the digital age. So that sums up the network, and then our game. They already laughing. Inaasar na ako, Mamo. Yan o. Nangaasar o. So, as a host, I will be closing this game, and hopefully you enjoyed our work. Pakita mo naman yung iba nating members. Ay, ang sarap naman.
Si me.
Si me. Favorite sisig. Skinny jeans. Cameraman. Ma'am, yung isa may Ernalyn pa.